Okay, so now this model is complete. Let's make this drawing using all the tools which we have learned so far. And for making this, we are going to use the array tool. To be specific, we'll use the circular array which we have learned here. So I'll start with the circle command. So I'll go to draw panel, select the flyout and select the center radius circle. Now click at any point in the drawing area to start it and enter a radius of 2 unit and press enter. Now press enter again to repeat this command and go to the same center, and this time enter a radius of 5 unit and press enter. So there we have it, 2 concentric circles. Now we need to go to the circle tool again, click on this quadrant, and now again make another circle with radius of 0.8 unit and press enter. Now we need to trim this part. So I'll go to trim tool, press enter and remove this portion. Now we need to make the array. So go to the flyout here and select polar array. Now click on this part, press enter, and now click on the center, which is here. So in this drawing, we have 11 instances, and in total we need to make 12 instances because one of that is removed and the groove has been made instead of that. So I'll select here 12 as number of items and press enter. So here we have it. Now make sure associative is unchecked and then click on close array. Now we need to clean this geometry. So I'll go to trim, press enter and remove these portions. They are no longer required in this geometry. Okay, so now we need to make the final groove here. So I'll simply erase this portion. It is no longer required here. And here we have already trimmed this portion, which we should not have trimmed. So in order to extend it, you can go to the modify panel and here select the extend tool and press enter. Now click on this portion and there we have it. It is now extended back. Okay, so now I'll go to the line tool, click on the center and make a straight line. It should be long enough to pass this circle completely. Now go to offset and enter an offset distance of 0.5 and press enter. Now click on this line and click upwards, then click on this line and click downwards and press enter. Now go to trim tool, press enter and remove this complete portion and this complete portion. Also zoom into this area, remove this part and remove this part. Now remove this line, it's no longer required. There we have it, the final geometry as per the dimensions mentioned here.